Flying to Indonesia? Don't forget to do this first, the All Indonesia app. It's a must for all travelers before arrival. Just download the app from Google Play or App Store. Step 1. Open the app and choose Foreign Traveler. Fill in your personal details, flight info, and hotel address. Step 2 will ask if you have a visa or KITAS. Select No, because you can apply or use your visa after you've entered all your personal information. Step 3. Travel and stay info. In Step 3, the app will ask how many mobile phones you bring, and whether you already have data or a SIM card. Just answer no, because as a tourist you don't need to register your phone yet. You can use your SIM after arrival. Step 4. Health and Customs Declaration. Submit and get your QR code. Finally, use the express lane to pass the border faster.